Hey guys, ccmc here. I am at the Rainforest Cafe in New Jersey, and I am with my family. We're eating, right? How you guys doing? Say hi. Hi. And Victoria, whose birthday is it? Say it's your birthday! So I'm gonna be walking around. And yeah, this might be a little long. So I'm gonna split it into two parts. So there's like a gorilla over there, and then there's another one behind me. If you can see that, you see? And there's a zebra and another gorilla, and then there's like tons of birds. There's a ton of birds. Yeah, it's like a rainforest. Oh, I need to show you the coolest part. Just like water.
Thank you.
Thank you. It's like water dripping. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but it's just like water.
I want to take that. Yeah, I'll eat it.
And the sparkling volcano. We're gonna take that.
That's them. So there's like monkeys. There's like monkeys. Wait, there's one at my table. See that monkey right there? Right there.
No.
That monkey. And then there's this one over here. This one. And yeah, there's this old man behind me. And then, yeah, there's a weird bird behind me. It's pretty weird. So, oh my, there's like a butterfly that moves. So I'm just gonna put my tablet down and pretend I'm not here, so because I don't want to interrupt anybody. So just play.
I think that they're.
So there's like elephants. There's elephants. And there's a bird behind me. And the elephant. There's this big parrot right here. And it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool over here. Yeah. So I don't know what else to show. Oh, there's like a store over there. I'm gonna do that in part 2. Sorry, this is kind of a short vlog, but I'm like eating and stuff. So yeah. So yeah. Oh, there's other animals in there, but they're like poking out, so I can't. So I'll do like a vlog that's like twisted this way. So bye guys.